How to fix Chrome or snap error in Windows 11 is what I'm going to show you in this video. We'll start off by left-clicking the Windows Start menu button and searching for msconfig, which will come back to you as the system configuration as the best match. Now what you want to do next is click on Services at the top. Click the Hide All Microsoft Services, tick that box. Now what you want to do is click Disable All, hit Apply, which will then prompt you to restart your computer, which you will have to do. So you restart your computer. Once you're done with that, you'll come back to your desktop, go back, open up the Start menu again using the Microsoft button on your keyboard, going back to the Microsoft config, opening it back up, back to Services, hide all Microsoft services, enable all. Now enable all, hit apply, OK, restart again, and that should essentially fix your RSnap error in Chrome on Windows 11. If this video helped you out, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye.